Beaver finds his dam destroyed by a fallen tree. The beaver becomes frustrated with the reckless humans cutting trees nearby. He vows to take back the forest. Beaver steals a human's chainsaw in the dead of night. He learns to use the chainsaw, practicing in secret. One day he cuts down an entire grove in revenge. The humans notice and panic at the beaver's unnatural skill. Beaver builds the biggest, most elaborate dam anyone has ever seen. He floods the entire human town, turning it into a massive lake. The humans evacuate, leaving Beaver as the new king of the flooded land.